If you've ever wanted to turn plain text into a bold, eye-catching 3D effect in Pixlr, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning 3D text look in under 60 seconds using a super simple layer trick inside Pixlr. This is perfect for thumbnails, banners, social posts, and any design where you want your text to pop instantly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the official Pixlr editor. Once the editor loads, you're going to create a brand new canvas, so click Create New and then hit Create. You can use any size you want depending on your project, but for now, just make sure your workspace is open and ready to design. Next, go to the left toolbar and select the Type tool, which is the T icon. Click anywhere on your canvas and type the word you want to turn into 3D text. Keep it short and bold for the best effect, because chunky words usually look the most dramatic once the depth is added. Now it's time to style the text. Choose a thick, heavy font like Impact or Montserrat Black. These fonts work really well because they give the 3D effect a strong base. Then set your main text color to a bright foreground color. A vibrant red, blue, yellow, or green usually works great, especially if you want the 3D depth to stand out clearly. Once your text looks good, head over to the Layers panel on the right side. Right-click your text layer and choose Duplicate Layer. This gives you two identical text layers to work with, which is the key to creating the 3D illusion. Now select the bottom text layer, because this layer will become the shadow or depth layer. Open the color picker and change that layer to a darker shade of your original text color. For example, if your top layer is bright blue, make the bottom layer a much darker blue. This contrast is what creates the depth effect and makes the text look like it's standing out from the page. After that, select the Move tool, which is the V key on your keyboard. Click the bottom layer if it isn't already selected, then use your arrow keys to nudge it slightly down and to the left. You only want a small shift here. That tiny offset is what makes the text look dimensional instead of flat. If you move it too far, the effect can look messy, so keep it subtle and clean. At this point, you should already be seeing the 3D shape start to come together. The top layer stays bright and crisp, while the lower layer becomes the shadowed depth behind it. If you want an even stronger 3D look, you can keep adjusting the bottom layer with small arrow key movements until it feels balanced. And that's really the secret behind this Pixlr text hack. With just a canvas, a bold font, a duplicated layer, a darker shadow color, and a small offset, you can create a professional-looking 3D text effect in seconds without complicated tools or advanced editing skills. If you want quick, practical design tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That really helps me make more tutorials for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.